In this video, we show you how to assemble the Tecmen ExFlow E4-T from the very beginning. We start by protecting the fan unit by putting on the cover. Now we are going to attach the belt. Place the belt over the fan unit with the Tecmen logo facing up and toward you. Adjust the belt so that the metal discs go through the opening in the belt. Take out the belt pad. Place it over the belt. Fasten the 9 buttons on the belt. Take out the shoulder harness. This part is locked in place between the fan unit and the belt. Take one of the hooks on the harness and attach it to the belt. Repeat on the other side. Take out the hose. Attach the thin end to the fan unit by twisting the hose. Clip the other end onto the helmet. Take out the battery and the supplied Allen key. If you do not have the Allen key, you can use a Torx gun. Attach the battery, then tighten the screw in the battery unit until it's securely fastened to the fan unit. To place a filter in the fan unit, press and hold this orange button to open the cover. First place the pre-filter if you're using one, then the particle filter or gas filter. Now the alarm is gone and I can feel air flowing to the helmet. The equipment is now ready for use.